Miracle Hair Treatment, our hero product, our #1 selling product globally. Now this is a leave-in treatment that your hair will love. It gives you 11 benefits. Now, adds shine, moisturizes the hair, gets rid of flyaways, adds lightweight volume. There's so many benefits that your hair will just love. Now, 2 different forms, comes in a pump and a spray form. Pump is a coconut fragrance. The spray is a melon fragrance. So whichever you like, you can use. So quite simple and easy to use. With the pump, apply a few pumps to your hands, then I'll work it through my hands. Then I'll begin at the roots, then just work it through to the ends. This is really lightweight. You can just work it through. Just with your comb, just comb it through. And then our spray. Once again, start the roots, lift the hair up, work it through the ends. Don't be afraid to apply it because it is not heavy, it does not weigh the hair down. It is really lightweight. You can work that through, gets through any knots, it tangles really well. That's another key benefit. Spin you around. Work that through. So as you can see, I apply this to wet or damp hair, and you can either let this dry in naturally or you can blow dry the hair. That's Miracle Hair Treatment. Alrighty, Miracle Hair Treatment. So as you can see, this is why this is our hero product, our #1 selling product globally. As you can see, the hair looks beautiful, soft, healthy. We applied it to wet, damp hair, we've dried it through, we've just run a tong through it. We've used no other products to create this look. And it's just giving me that nice, soft finish. It's lightweight, it's still brushable. It's giving me a nice shine. Now that is Miracle Hair Treatment.